Very good evening, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. I have applied two indicators, EP, option EP on underline, and the another one is rolling pivot. The people who are constantly watching my video, they are familiar about this indicator, and many people have already accessed and bought my indicator. This is a paid indicator. You can WhatsApp me on this number 98452. Let me type in over here 98452096000. You can WhatsApp on this number. How you can take the trade so confidently with these two indicators, I am going to explain it to you in the market. Let me go and start the replay mode. I'll start the replay mode from here. Let me start it over here. And you closely watch how my indicators are working. The previous day handover was positive because the price is above the pivot, price is above the Gann low, price is above the shorter time period Gann low. Let me enable another indicator that shorter time will also come, and shorter time period Gann low. Let me start the, so this is last 15:3:20 p.m. candle. Let me start play mode, and play mode has been started over here. Let it begin. Yes, it has started. This is the last 3:25 candle. Today's first candle you are going to see. Yes, first candle, it is plotting both bearish EP as well as bullish EP. And when it is plotting bearish EP and bullish EP, it is suggesting to go for the 26,000, either call option as well as the put option. The price was 25,979 at that time. Now, let me stop it and I'll show it to you. Let me go to the call option. It is suggesting 26,000 call option as well as the put option. If I come over here, I've already added. This is the 26,000 call option. If I go to the 26,000 call option, it is telling 184 is the price level. 184 is the EP level, it is telling. Buy EP 184. So I have already marked 184. I'll be taking the trade. It becomes EP will be triggered. The price, this is a spark actually. EP, episodic pivot, is a spark. And when the price starts moving above the 184 rupees, it will be positive. So let me play that and let us go to, I will show on the 26,000 PE also. Let me go back before playing. Let me go back to the 26,000 put option also. If I go on the 26,000 put option, it was suggesting around 178 or something. Now it is showing 129. So 129 is the price it is suggesting. Above 129, it is positive. Otherwise, it is going to go down. So I know the levels where the PE will become, where the direction I need to go, whether to stay on the call option or on the put option. Let me go back to the 26,000 call option. It is suggesting bullish EP and the structure is positive on the call option. Let me make it zoom. You can see over here Because why it is bullish? Only 1, 2, 3, 4 candles have formed. That means 20 minutes. The price, this is the longer period Gann Hilo, and this is the dynamic color changer Gann Hilo, and all the pivots. You can see all the pivots are compressed and price is above the R1. Not only the pivot, price is above the R1. So price now, and the first 5-minute close was, if I place the cursor, let me go back. I'm not able to see over here. Yeah. If I go and see there, the price was closed around 184.85 if I look there. So I'll start replay button. I will be taking position. I'm comfortable to take the position because even if it comes, my indicator is plotting, the rolling pivot is plotting, let me zoom out, is plotting buy signals, because buy signals are triggered only when all the conditions are met. So that's why all the conditions have met, and this is CPR also, already dynamic CPR has formed. That is the range it has formed. Let me start play button. You can see on your own how this is our level. 184.5 level. Let me make it little bit faster. Now price is coming down. Still, it is touching the CPR. Nothing has changed. Trend has not at all changed. Even this is a retracement. You can see the Gann Hilo price has not gone above the Gann Hilo. The trend has not changed. The price is hovering around 184. So I'm waiting, and this is the pullback. Episodic pivot pullback is plotting over here dynamically. Now, after the pullback, you can see the price, this Gann Hilo is rising. You can see the price blasting around, exactly around 1020. The price started moving higher, crossed this Gann Hilo episodic pivot high. I am going long from 184, 184 or 185. You quickly, within 3 bars, you are making 241. 241 means 41 plus 15 points, around 60 points you have captured within three candles. So now again, this is an intraday dip. It is coming down. The trend is positive. The price trend, you can see Gann Hilo, nothing has changed. It has gone sideways. After this move, it is coming back and retesting. This is coming back and retesting. And for me, it has to hold the 185 level. For it to stay positive, let us see what it is doing. See, it came down around 1125, touched the level of 203. If I place the cursor, you can see 203, and then again it has moved. Now 1130, it is positive. The trend is positive, though it is going sideways. You can see after the pop-up, from 1035 to 1150, almost 1 hour, it has gone sideways. But sideways in a bullish way. Let us wait and see. Again, the signal has been generated and the price has moved, and the Gann Hilo price has moved. Perfect 1, 2, 3 setup, 1, 2, 3, 4 setup has been on my rule, and price has started moving. So now again it has reached the 231. 231 still sideways. Let us see what will happen. This was a pop-up around 12 o'clock. 12 the London session open. It made an high of 249. 249. It is not a small amount. So it is going perfect. Trend is perfect. Everything is perfect. In between red candles also it is plotting buy signals. So that's how we are going to track. In this EP will tell you the price for the straddle and suggest the strike price, and you can enter into that by noting down those prices. If the price doesn't go below the EP price 184, we are going. Similarly, let me stop it and let me go to the 26,000 put option. You can see the 26,000 put option, 129 was the suggested price. It started moving down. When it was not able to move above that 129 rupees, you can keep short position in put option. The people who are selling, they writing the put option, they can do that. From 129 below, if you would have taken position, it had come down to almost, you can say 72 to 76 rupees. That is not more than enough. 100 and that means 20, 30, 60 points even on that. Around 2 p.m., there is a reversal pullback was seen in the put option. You can see reversal pullback from 76 to 95. It has pulled back. That is a normal process which happens in the market. Again, it is coming down. I'm stopping this. I'm stopping the playback mode, and I am explaining it to you. If you on the uh, underlying, this EP will suggest you, it will plot both bearish EP as well as the bullish EP. This is my indicator. This is the indicator option EP reflect on the underlying. And another indicator is episodic pullback breakout cycle indicator. Together with the indication, I'm capturing the straddle, which side it is going to move. It suggests the strike price and also it suggests the price of the option, whether it has to be up above that level and below that level. So you will be knowing the price also to go long. For example, you can see if I clicked on the put option, it suggested 26,000 put option. It suggested 100 and no, the different one I have put 26,000 put option. Why it is giving? This one is the 26,000 put option. This is the monthly, I believe. This is the end monthly expiry. This is fourth expiry put option. This is suggesting the 243 rupees. If it doesn't move above the 243 rupees, it is going to go down. It is suggesting like that. And for the call option, this is 4th November, it is suggesting 184. Suppose if it doesn't move above the 184, it will be bearish. The market with the structure itself, you can guess here it was a pop up and price was above the bullish. It was a retracement. Comfortably, by seeing the structure, you can guess that it is going to go above the 184. You can take position over here. Aggressive position also you can take by seeing the structure because the trend is intact. By seeing that it is a pullback and retracement breakout. So like that, if you would have taken position in this call option, it rallied up to 249. So from 184, if you would have taken position, 249 points you could have captured in the market. That's how this is the thing I wanted to show why bearish and bullish EP are presented in the market in the beginning. That is because this is the price of the straddle. It is suggesting the straddle strike price. In this now it is closed. End of the day it has closed. It is suggesting 26,100 strike price for tomorrow. 26,100 strike price. Let us add that 26,100 strike price. Fourth. Let me go there. Why it is not coming? Yeah. 26,100 call option. Let me add Alt W. It is suggesting 132 rupees. So this is the price. If it doesn't, if it starts moving below 132 rupees, it becomes bearish. If it holds this price and if it starts moving, it is bullish. If I go to the put option, it is suggesting the price also. It is suggesting 178 rupees as the price. So let us mark the 178. Let me remove this. So if the put option, initially there may be drop, retracement, then the put option may go up. If it doesn't go above the 178 rupees, it is bearish. It may be a retracement and it is telling the level is 178 for the put option, 26,100 put option, and for the call option, it is telling 132 is the limit. If it starts trading below 132 rupees consistently, the 2600 put option will become, call option will become bearish for the tomorrow. It is suggesting, and tomorrow morning, the opening bell itself, everything will change. It will suggest you, this indicator will suggest you episodic pivot. That may change tomorrow morning also. You will come to know what will happen in tomorrow morning. That's it, friends. I have explained you. This is a beautiful set of indicator. You can access this indicator. Many people have accessed and they are making profit and they are giving feedback that they are profitable. And today also one person, he was mentioning that he has made 20,000 within 5 days of accessing this indicator. Why to delay? You people also get the benefit of this, and it is a paid indicator. You need to message me on WhatsApp number 9845209600. Thank you very much, friends. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami, sign.